everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a gorgeous little Mulberry Willow wallet to show you today, and it's in this lovely calfskin leather, and the texture of this is really nice. It's almost velvety. It's really soft. So we have got on the back nice chunky mulberry zip pull there, and one zipped pocket, external zipped pocket on the back of here, and then we've got a flat closure with a little mini, looks like a mulberry postman's lock, but it's a little flip lock there. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So we've got one flat pocket at the back, then we've got 8 card slots, and then we've got 2 more kind of flat pockets slash flat sections. So one in the middle and then one at the front as well. The condition of this one we have called good all around. There's just a couple of marks on this leather. So you can see just on this corner at the front here, a little mark there, and then a little mark on the back as well. You can see a little indent there, and it's just kind of got that like leftover makeup sparkle to it a little bit on the outside. So that's why we've called the exterior good. The hardware, again, we've called good. That mulberry tree pluck on the outside actually is in a very nice condition. There's not many scratches or marks on there. On the inside, there is a little bit more wear to those plaques there on the edges, but again, still really nice and shiny. And then the interior, again, we've called good. There's just a couple of marks and indents on that flat closure. So that is why we've called the interior good. It comes with the mulberry box, and then inside we've got mulberry tissue paper as well, so it'd make a really nice little box gift idea. And the size of it, if you would like to know the exact measurements, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this exact wallet on our website. It should take you directly to this wallet, but if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that it does mean it has sold. However, if it's one that you had an eye out for, just let us know and we can pop you on our request list. And that request list is, we'll pop you on there, whatever it is. It can be this or whatever request you have in mind. It could be Mulberry or Gucci or Saint Laurent, whatever it is, just let us know. And then as soon as we get in something that you like, we'll send you through an email with a link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website. But I'll show you the size on me for reference. Even though it is a wallet, I think I can actually fit my phone in this. So I think it would make a really nice little clutch as well. It's just a really nice, simple shape, kind of classy, elegant, and again, a really lovely colour and material as well. So if you are interested, go to the link in the description below to find out some more details on it. If this isn't your thing, have a browse through all of our other beautiful Armcandy on our website, and sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that discount code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you've got any beauties like this one that you'd like to sell. All the details you need to know on that page, so have a read through there. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel while you're here. Don't forget to hit that alert button as well, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. And we'll be back very soon with some more.